Right guys, welcome back to another episode of us here at ESMOTOR UK. We've got quite a lot of updates going on some various builds. Also, RUBAIS has got a new car, so you'll find out exactly what that is. He's not here though today, so yeah, you won't be able to hear why he got it or whatever, but you'll literally see the car and yeah, we can talk about maybe some of the stuff that he might want to do on it or what we're going to force him to do on it. Two different things. But yeah, keep watching and stay tuned.
Well, welcome back to ESMOTOR UK, guys. So today in the workshop we got a fair bit going on as usual, as we always do. So behind me here we have got a customer's car, 991 Gen 2. It's coming. We've had diagnosed it as noisy lifters. So I've stripped the engine down, and what's happening is inside the head the lifters are getting stuck. I've done a compression check and everything on it. And yeah, I've diagnosed it down to be the lifters, so I've changed all the lifters. So when you do this, there's a lot involved. Obviously, as you can see the engine here behind me, literally there was nothing on that engine. It was like a bare engine because obviously you've got to take the cam covers off, you've got to time it up, you've got to take the cams out and then change the lifter. So I've done that now. Just got to put his gearbox and everything back on the car and then put it into the car and then yeah, get it all running and give it back to the customer. So that is one of the jobs that we've got in here. Then I'll show you the other two that we've got going on at the moment. So yeah, so we have got Mark's 991 Gen 1 back with us. So he originally came to us a while ago and he got an ES800 kit. He's had this car for a while now. The car's been running 1010. He wants to push a bit more power out of the thing. So what we're doing is putting our custom billet intake manifold onto these engines. So that's already installed. We are just waiting for the bigger throttle body from Porsche, which take ages. So Porsche, please sort your shit out because we are constantly waiting for parts. I'll point there, just, you know, you could put like the Porsche thing, or not, it don't really matter. I'm sure Porsche don't give a shit anyway, they're like, do what they can do. But yeah, so we're waiting on that now, so once that's done we can put, oh sorry, and he's having the LSD, forgot about that. So gearbox is back as well now, with the LSD in, so yeah, billet intake, LSD, he's gonna get some good numbers out of this, like all the ES800s do, ES800s, yeah, and then that'll be this one done. So yeah, we'll be testing this one early next week. So throttle body should be turning up today, but we always get told, yeah, it might be this day, it might be that day. So I'm not gonna hold or keep my hopes up. So yeah, hopefully it turns up today and then we can put it on and get the engine in tomorrow, get it running, put it on the dyno, see what numbers we can get and then see what numbers we can get on the street. As you can see behind me is a 992. This is going to be the first 992 ES1100 that we are building. So this is going to have a fully built engine. He's going to have obviously the bigger turbos. There'll be the 1200s on there. I'm not going to say the specs or nothing yet. Reason being is because it's going to be our first one built. So once this is built and we've done everything that we need to do on the car, then we can start talking about what we've done with it. But yeah, this is going to have a lot done. Cool, yeah, like I said, built engine, Dodson clutch, turbos, intake manifold, yeah. We're just going to go all out on this car. So this is going to be our first ES1100 992, and if you've not seen it, AIM Performance have done one already out in America. They've already done an 8.76 quarter mile with this setup, which is just phenomenal. Their 0 to 60 was like 1.82 or 1.92. But you'll see the videos anyway. Yes, these 992s are killing it, just ES1100. So we've got the perfect spec as well. So it's the lightweight edition, it's got the carbon roof, it's got the seats, it's got the rear seat removal done on it as well. Yeah, it's just a 1010 car. So yeah, ES1100 992 incoming. So we also have a new starter with us as well now here at ESMOTOR. He's been here since Monday, he's cracking on, he's doing very well. Meet Oliver. Hey. This is Oliver, so he's, yeah, I'm gonna be training him, showing him what we do here, and I've been throwing him in the deep end. He's already got a couple of engines out for me. He's done the intake manifold as well, so yeah, he's cracking on very quick. He's learning very quick, so yeah, let's see how he gets on.
Let me FaceTime him because he's off today. So he said he's sick. Let's see if he's really sick. Do you reckon he'll answer?
Yeah.
Nah, he got blanked, mate. Oh. Maybe not. What's happening, bro?
Just say Eliza.
I don't know, does he look unwell? What do you reckon?
We had to get you on the camera somehow, man.
We're just,
I feel messed up.
we're just saying your car's here, bro. You're not. What's going on?
I messed out in it. I messed out big time.
What do you mean messed up? You got a GT2.
It looks sick, innit?
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him smiling now. You're getting gas now, innit?
I needed something a bit more fun, isn't it?
You were supposed to come and do a drive with Shaz and everyone,
Yeah,
you
we're
know?
gonna do a nice drive, first drive.
Dad would never sit in the car.
What are you saying, Shaz? You're not going to sit in the car?
No, I'm not sitting in the car, but the camera will sit in the car with you. You can
Next week we'll go for a drive.
Yeah, you can tell everyone next week what your plans are with it then.
Innit? Sick.
Have some lemsip or something, bro.
I got some food.
Yeah? Alright, cool.
have some steak.
Yeah.
Have some camel.
Have something grass fed. Alright, cool. I'll speak to you in a bit, bro. Alright, bye-bye.
Alright.
So guys, with the 992, obviously we are offering a whole range of packages. Apart from that, we do offer styling upgrades as well. As you can see, we have a selection of different style wheels from LCE, and we generally do have these in stock, so you can get them in 21, 22 or 20 and 21, and they look really good in the car. We had that convertible on last week that had the wheels fitted to his car as well, so they do drop nicely, especially once the car's lowered. And apart from obviously that, we do supply Tech Art carbon goodies as well, so if you ever want any Tech Art upgrades, then yeah, feel free to get in touch. But apart from that, let's get to the juicy stuff, which is the new package that's out for the 992, which is the ES1100. So this is what we're going to be doing to Craig's car in there, the black one, and that comprises of a built engine, Dodgson's, VTG turbo kit, however with larger VTG turbos. It still works on stock ECU and stock fuel system. AIM Performance have got theirs running out in the States, in America. They were at the DCT World Cup just this weekend past, and man, the car was crazy. It ran 5 or 6 back-to-back 8-second runs, 8.9, 8.9. The best was an 8.76, and then another 8.9 and another 8.9. So it's crazy consistent.
And Charlie Walsh. Walsh in the Rata Race Labs. Audi RS3 on the left side, your number 10 qualifier, 906 at 155. We'll face the number 7 qualifier, the Porsche 911, over on the right-hand side, 877 at 154. The difference here in qualifying times is about 0.3 of a second. In our previous pairing, we saw a 0.4 of a second hole shot. So again, you could still have that deficit made up by a hole shot, leaving on the starting line on a green light start ahead of your competitor. So even though on paper, Ryan has the advantage, Charlie coming to the starting line looking to pull out all the stops. They are staged and ready. And this time the higher qualified car gets the big hole shot. Ryan well out in front in the Porsche. He's looking for the win light and gets it, 897, beating a quicker 895. Charlie's best pass of the weekend, but it all goes to naught as Ryan hole-shotted him by a ton, over half a second, and Ryan gets an easy round 1 victory. The Porsche. David Briggs coming up next, the yellow Porsche, the number 49 car on the left-hand side, and Ryan Cooper, the silver Porsche on the right-hand side. Ryan off the starting line first, little wheelie coming out of the Porsche on the left-hand side. Again, Ryan will get to the finish line first, 877, 154, 872 at 162 left side for David. Both of them clicking off 8.7 second passes.
On the street, unprepped, it ran 9.0 at 162. The best 100 to 200 time on that was a 3.2.
30, 60, 130, quarter mile.
And the best 0 to 60, which was insane, on the track was a 1.84 second 0 to 60 mile an hour. So that car and that setup it's an awesome street setup. It's literally like an ultimate street car because it's a new car and it will drive like stock and you get insane performance out of it like that. So yeah, that is something that we're very, very excited about. Craig's car should be done in the next couple of months, completed. And then yeah, guys, watch out, it's going to be coming to some racetracks and really, really surprising some big power cars because with just 1100 wheel, it will do some insane numbers. So yeah, we're really excited about that. So that the 992 development will keep pushing forwards with. And yeah, we'll see what we can get up to by the end of the year.
So behind me we have Morton's 991 Gen 1 ES1100 package that we've done on the car. He's recently been back, we've done the HRE wheels, Bilstein coilover suspension, and also we done the billet pans. So we've done the billet engine sump pan and the gearbox pan as well. So they're both billet now. He's come back yet again to get a charge cooler fitted now. So the charge cooler kit that we've got here is going to be going onto Morton's car. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for this one because this car is naughty.